When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag Recipes with me, Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare potato fry. This is the basic potato fry. If you follow this basic process, your potato fry will comes extraordinary. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Initially, take a pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder. Into this, add mustard seeds, jeera, chana dal, white urad dal, and give a quick mix. Now add dry red chilies, add curry leaves and sliced onions. Add finely chopped green chilies. Once onion cooked transparent, add ginger garlic paste. Once ginger garlic raw flavor was gone, take 250 grams of boiled potatoes and cut it into big and add it into a pan and mix it well. Now cook for 5 minutes. Now add required amount of salt, add required amount of red chili powder and give a quick mix. Now add garam masala, add coriander powder and combine it properly. Once everything done, add finely chopped coriander and switch off the flame. That's all, the basic potato fry was ready. Please try this recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare green peas kachori. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag Recipes and click on the bell icon.